Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Teddie. And today we're going to be making pizza. This is tomato puree. This is shortbread.
Flatbread.
This tomatoes, grated cheese, and cooked ham, sliced whatever, ham. So the first thing we need to do is wash 2 tomatoes. Now we're going to chop all the ingredients. But is it easy to cook because you know you can grip. Here. 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to chop the ham. I do it on a piece of skin because tomatoes in it all the time. So guys, next we're going to put some grated cheese on. Open.
Boom.
There we go. So guys, we're going to put 2 flatbreads on each. Now to decorate. Perfect. And let's put cheese on top. So, I'm here with pizza now. You done?
One more. Let's put tea in the oven.
These have been in the oven for just over 5 minutes and now they're ready to eat. Do you want some ketchup? Is that bacon?
No.
It's actually not
I've got enough ketchup here.
bacon. Okay.
Put some ketchup. It's hot.
Hot. Do you want the garlic mayo? Hold on.
So are we giving this one a thumbs up or a thumbs down, guys?
A thumbs up.
What about you, Teddy Bear?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Or what about you,
10 out of
Ray?
10.
I haven't tried the whole thing. I'm just trying the ham.
Oh, what does that taste
Bacon. I can't believe we made this.
Out of 10.
And was it easy or hard to make?
It was kind of in the middle. Oh, it was easy for you to. What? I had to bake it all.
Just got to wait for yours to cool down a bit, Millie, yeah?
I'm picking making all the ham.
Yummy yum.
Yeah, I'm doing all the sugar because why not? How to cook bacon, get ham.
Get a ham.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
We'll say bye.
Bye.
Bye!